Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Today I have come with a very special planting video which can help you understand which is the right time to plant chrysanthemum. Today is almost about the last week of June. The rainy season hasn't come in Delhi right now, but as the weather report says, the rainy season will come in about 2 to 3 days. The rainy season is also the perfect time for flower enthusiasts to prepare for one of the most spectacular winter flowers, chrysanthemum. We have already made tons of videos about chrysanthemum plant. And last year we had planted some new plants by cutting the mother plant stems. But this year my mom will not grow any more plants out of these cuttings. Last year my mom had cut the whole mother plant while planting some new plants. So these are just the new shoots of the mother plant. Last time we had uploaded a video on how the winter chrysanthemum plant had some flowers in summer. So what my mom is doing right now is cutting these stems from 2 inches above the soil. And she's also cleaning all the damaged dry leaves. You must have planted your cuttings in early July, and now it will be ready to transplant in pots. Others who do not have their mother stock should visit nurseries to purchase the seedling. Chrysanthemum is available in basically 2 types, standard variety and spray variety. In standard variety, there are further subtypes such as reflex, incursion, anemone, spoon spider, pompon, button, Korean single and Korea double. Clay pots of size 10 inches to 12 inches are generally used for planting. Plant 3 to 5 plants of standard variety in one pot. It is mandatory to rotate the pots every 2 to 3 days for a uniform flowering. My mom has cut the shoots of this chrysanthemum plant. Now she will be choosing some healthy stems to plant them and get a new chrysanthemum plant. Like always, he has cut all the leaves from the stem and dip it into a bioenzyme solution for 10 to 15 minutes. On the other hand, she is preparing the soil. Sandy, loamy soil is the best soil for some roots of this plant. You just have to put the stems like how my mother is putting it in. Chrysanthemum is sensitive to water, therefore irrigation should be done very carefully. Strictly avoid overwatering and immediately drain excess water of rainwater accumulated in pots. After this, my mom has wrapped them in a plastic bag. Then she kept these cute chrysanthemum plants in a shaded area. So you must also prepare your plants like this for more flowers. I hope this video will help you understand how you must take care of your chrysanthemum plant. And I hope you will get lots of flowers during the winter season. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.